It's time for the greatest athleticism you've ever seen in your life. The pros and the leagues are shaking in their boots. With all the videos out there of talented bowlers showing their stuff, there's this series, as it is now time to watch me suck at bowling.
Welcome to week 2 of 5 in July 2018's edition of Watch Me Suck at Bowling, coming from a place many people asked me to come to, wanted to, now work is finally close enough that it was possible. Riverwalk Lanes, Amesbury, Massachusetts. We are ruining the reputation of TV lane number 7. They will never want to ever put that show on the air again with me bowling on that lane. Hopefully the show goes back on the air. I would like to see it. In case you're wondering, it's called Classic Candlepins. Watch a few if you like to see what it's about. Anyway, I forgot to do these intros at the other place. But then again, there was music playing, so kind of had to do it this way. So, no music, regular intro. Let's see how game 2 goes. But before we do that, game 1 was going so well, and then it went down the toilet. Start okay, then yeah. Then El Stinko doing its thing, 10 and 9, and it went to hell from there, outside of that 8, and that 8. 77. I have been way under lately. Alright, let's see if we can make things better. It's definitely easier than Exeter, but it is a tougher place still.
This really crappy bowling you're about to see is proud to sponsor the hit Candlepin TV show King of the Palace, a show where people of the opposite skill play. Watch King of the Palace by typing King of the Palace into the YouTube search bar. If you like it enough to subscribe, go to youtube.com/newpalacelanes. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to see new videos. And now, the crap.
Frame 1, ball 1. Let's get at least another game in the 80s. Ball 2. And for those of you saying just watch your videos, see what you're doing wrong, I have. I can't see it. Ball 3, might start with a stink frame. Well, we start with a 6, not that great. And for those of you who like the pin setters, here's the Bowmore Model E in action. Frame 2, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3. How appropriate, the bowling god's middle finger for the 9.
Rough start, but okay so far. I mean, we got the 6 and 1, and then 9 and 2. Total of 15. I do know what's wrong. I'm throwing the ball fast enough that pin cam is now an issue.
Frame 3, ball 1.
Can't get out of the way of pin cam fast enough, so from now on it's going to be off to the side.
Ball 2. 3. Stake frame of 4. Frame 4, ball 1. I think the magic has finally disappeared. Ball 2. Ball 3. Another great frame of 4.
That was just plain terrible. Both 3 and 4 are 4 apiece. We're now only up to 23. So much for getting a good game. A game in the 80s? Not likely.
Frame 5, ball 1. Yeah, I think the magic ride, if you want to even call it that, it's over. Ball 2. Ball 3. Another awful frame of 6. Frame 6, ball 1. I can't play anymore. Ball 2. Ball 3. I'll be happy to get my low. Bowling God screwed up. I got a 9.
These 2 frames went better. We still stunk with a 6 and 5, but then a 9 and 6. We're only up to 38 though, but at least the brownout is over. Or is it?
Frame 7, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3. The bowling gods hate me. They don't want me to play anymore. Niner. Frame 8, ball 1. I'm just hoping for mediocrity at this point. Ball 2. Ball 3.
That's much better. Although marking would definitely help. Got a 9 and 7, an 8 and 8. We are at 55.
Frame 9, ball 1. That's an omen. 2. Ball 3. Last frame of yet another poor game, per usual, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3, we hit mediocrity. Yay. It seems that's all I've been doing. That's 8.
There was definitely marked improvement on the second half. The worst thing that's happened is 8. And speaking of that, we got an 8 and 10 and a 9 and 9. We end with a weak 72, just barely making mediocrity. That will conclude this episode of Watch Me Suck at Bowling for the second week in July 2018 from Riverwalk Lanes in Amesbury, Massachusetts. This is George F551 saying hope you enjoyed and have a good one.